Alright, so this will be another short-ish update. Don't really have much to do in the meantime, waiting for a lot of parts to come in. I sent my head out to get machined. I decided against decking the block. I didn't want to pull the bottom end apart knowing that it was already good, everything's torqued down, it's healthy as it is, so if anything happens with that, I'll just end up going 2J NA bottom end, so it'll get me through the year at least. Clean up the head as much as I can. I mean the block, I clean up the block as much as I can. Everything looks good, there's no real pitting, anything like that. The cylinders all look good, so it should be fine for me. Worst case, next year I'll rebuild the bottom end a little stronger for the top mount setup and everything, so let's check out the front end. Alright, so turn this off so I want it. Still working on the plates and everything, so I got the plates for the strut tower put on there, and then at the moment I cut out plates for the frame rails, so I just have those tacked in at the moment, so I'm gonna go ahead and tack those. This side I've been working on. It's kind of hard to see with the light, but that side's mostly welded in, and then I think tomorrow we're gonna start putting some tubes in here, and then it should really start progressing. And then just an easy way to make these plates. I'm by no means a great fabricator. I've learned a few tips from a bunch of guys over the years, but I just made it out of cardboard. So then you can test everything out, see what fits, and you can cut it out, grind it down if it doesn't work out. This flips to the other side. But as easy as that, you can just trace it out. There's just two pieces of cardboard put together, taped, and then as you get closer to welding it in, just trace it out on your material with a marker, and then you can cut it out. We just have like a bandsaw here that we use. And then for the upper frame rail part, I made some templates for those as well. I didn't really like how they turned out, so I cut these out and then ended up modifying them a whole bunch. I didn't end up using this tab, both sides, and then just as it fits a little better, you can grind it up to a better shape that you like. Getting better. I just got tracking for my swap kit. Got this cool mark on my head for the trans mounts for the motor and the transmission, so that should be coming in within the week. So I still have to order a transmission. I've been holding off on that until the mounts came in, so hopefully I order one of those within the week here, and then once the motor's back in I can do all that. And then I still have to get an adapter shifter kit for that to fit the S chassis, so I'll have some info on that. But just a quick one for today, and as everything comes together I'll have more videos, but it's starting to come together, starting to get excited, so stay tuned.